5x5 workout for you, interval style, and today is just a core workout. So grab your timers. We have 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. After 4 minutes, that's 8 rounds, and then after 4 minutes, you have 1 minute to actively recover, so it will be an active stretch. So anyway, check out the moves, and then I'll break it down for you. Okay. Okay guys, so let's break this workout down for you. So you have 4 ab exercises. So you first start with the first one on your back, supine here. Toes down, heels up. It's just a single crunch. You just lift and lower, lift and lower. So as you do this, exhale on the up, inhale on the down. When your 20 seconds are up, you have 10 seconds to take your knees over to the side, and then you have a side crunch here, taking your shoulder to your hip. Exhale on the up, inhale on the down. Exhale, inhale down, okay? Keeping those abs nice and tight. After 20 seconds, you bring it back to exercise 1. After that, you take the knees to the other side to get your obliques on the other side. That will be 2 minutes done. Then you take it, you stay on your back. For exercise 3 here, you bring your feet up, knees are over the hips, reaching your palms forward away from your shoulders. You lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat, and you pulse your bottom rib. You're gonna squeeze the bottom rib to your hip, so you're pulsing forward. It's a squeeze. Really try to keep those abs flat, belly button into the spine. Okay, after 20 seconds, you lower down, sit up, flip over for a plank.